In today's digital landscape, the market is more crowded than ever. With so many businesses vying for attention, how can your small business stand out in 2025? The digital world is moving fast. New platforms emerge, algorithms change, and consumer behaviors shift. It's hard to keep up, let alone get ahead. So, how can you break through the noise? Here are 4 key strategies to help your small business shine online. Craft a compelling brand story. Your brand story is what sets you apart. It's the heart and soul of your business. Make sure it's clear, concise, and compelling. Embrace short-form video. Short-form video is taking over. From TikTok to Instagram Reels, it's never been easier to create and share engaging video content. Personalize your marketing. Personalization is key to building meaningful relationships with your customers. Use data and analytics to tailor your marketing efforts and speak to your audience in a language they understand. Build a strong online community. Your online community is your greatest asset. Nurture it, engage with it, and empower it to become your biggest advocates. At MarketinGear, we understand the challenges of digital marketing. That's why we offer expert solutions tailored to your unique needs. Don't get lost in the crowd. Contact MarketinGear today for a free consultation and let us help you shine online.